So good morning again, my dear students. See here in this picture I am trying to show you. Here you can see the sun is there. Okay, the sun is there. As you know, the 8 planets, they are moving around the sun, is not it? In the previous video I have shown you from the book only. So here see, the earth is there. The earth is moving around the sun in this way. Okay, it is moving around the sun, and even the earth is moving here also on its axis. Here also it used to move, and in this way also it is moving around the sun. And the moon is there. The moon is known as our closest neighbor because the moon is nearer to the earth. Okay, the moon is also round in shape like the earth. Okay, and the moon is moving around the earth in this way. The moon is moving around the earth is moving around the sun, and the moon is moving around the earth. Okay, but sometimes when we see from the earth, it seems that the moon is looking as big as the sun, but this is not the thing. Okay, but the moon is smaller than the sun. Okay, it looks large because it is much closer to the earth. Okay, sometimes it seems when we look in the sky, it seems that the moon is also as big as the sun, but as we know, the moon is smaller only. Okay, the moon is smaller only. It looks big because it is close to us, it is nearer to us, and the sun is far away from us. Understood? Come to the next one. As you know, we can see the moon in the night. During the daytime we are not able to see the moon. From whom we are getting heat and light? The earth is getting heat and light from the sun. Okay, in the same way, the moon, as you know, the moon is not a star. The moon has no light of its own. The moon is getting the light from the sun, and when the moon is lit up by the light of the sun, then in the night we can see from the earth the moon. Okay, but during the daytime we are not able to see the moon because during the daytime, when the sunlight is there, we are having the lights, the moon is not visible to us. Okay, but during the night, when the earth is not getting the sunlight and the moon is getting the sunlight at that time, then we can see the moon from the earth easily. Okay, so here as you know, the moon is moving around the earth, so the moon is known as the natural satellite of the earth. Satellite means what? It is an object that goes around a planet. Any object that goes around the planet is known as the satellite, and the moon is going around the earth, so the moon is known as the natural satellite of the earth. And the moon has very little water. As we know, this water is found only as ice and in rocks. In the moon we have very less water, and they are found as ice or in the rocks. Okay, but the moon has no air, so when people are going on the moon, then they have to take the oxygen with them, and there is no life on the moon. Okay, understood?